Hey everybody, Thelindabradley here from Princess House. What's up with the weather? It was like hot for a long time and now I have a sweatshirt on because it's a little chilly today. But I'm coming to you with a layaway special. It's my favorite thing to do. I love putting these packages together and it's a big one. I have lots of stuff up on the table. I have a flyer that I'll show you as well. But this one is called the I Want It All. And this one has some of the best items that I've ever put together. So what I do is every period, when the new specials come out, I do a combination of customer specials and hostess specials, and I make a whole big package. So I'm really excited to be able to do it, and it's different every month because of whatever the specials are. So how the specials lined up this month, we got some good things going. So you ready? This package is going to have everything that you see in here. This is going to like outfit your kitchen to the nines, and you're going to love everything. There are some adjustments that I can make. If you are saying, oh, I already have that one piece, just reach out to me. Thelindabradley@gmail.com and tell me what you want. Some things I can change, some things I can't. It just depends on how it works, okay? So I'm not even sure how I'm going to start. Let's see what I should do first. All right, well, let's start with prep work, okay? So as you're getting ready to do all your cooking and the things that you need, one of my favorite items in the kitchen these days is the Dyson Chopper. I love this piece. It has 3 different attachments. So one is for a large dice, then there's a small dice, and then there's soft, which is good for like mushrooms and strawberries, and it's just super easy. It has up the sides the measurements, so this is a really great item to have, especially as we go into the summer and you're making all of your summer salads. It saves so much time. We also have our utensil holder, and this one is going to come with 5 utensils. It does rotate. It has plenty of room so that you can put it in your kitchen and have plenty of room on your counter, and it saves a lot of space for you. In addition to that, I'm going to also give you the lid and the spoon rest. So this is a really cool piece. You can see on the bottom it has the silicone. And so this is good to go ahead and put your spoons on when you're, having things served. You can also put the spoon up. But the thing that I love about it is that the other side is a lid rest. So when you're cooking on the stove and then you take off the lid because you're stirring it or whatever, now you got the rest for it. This is especially nice if you like to use crock pots, because you never know where to put the crock pot lid. So this piece is going to be included as well. We also have some of our produce containers. Again, these are great as we hit the summer months. They will keep your fruits and vegetables so fresh. It's amazing. They have both a top and a bottom lid, I guess, and you can see that it's already perforated, so you can wash your fruits and vegetables right in it. And then what it has on the side, it tells you for the different kinds of fruits and vegetables, it has a little note and it says, these kinds, they don't like the air. So make sure you close them up. And on the side are little tabs that you either push down and then it puts no air in, or you put them up and it allows to have air, and it tells you what you want. So it has 2 different sizes. This is the medium, which is really a large, and then this is the small. So you're going to get both of these. You will love them. Use them all of the time. All right, what else? Lots of stuff. I want to make sure that I don't forget anything. In the Fantasia Fresh, these pieces are made out of the borosilicate glass, which means they're oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, refrigerator safe, and freezer safe. They do have the lids that are made of BPA-free plastic and silicone. They have a special little seal on it. The very last thing you do is push that down and it takes all of your air out of it. It's also good in the microwave because you can vent it. I like them especially because they are beautiful. You can prep in them, cook in them, served at the table. They're beautiful, right? If you're going out to a picnic, you can put the lid on and take it with you, and it keeps your foods fresh, and I just like the look of it. I like the fact that it's clear when it's in the dishwasher. Nope. When it's in the refrigerator with leftovers, that you always see what the leftovers are and you don't throw them out. The next up in that same collection is the Fantasia Fresh. This is a 9x13. So what's different about this, again, is it has the plastic lid. So a lot of the times what I'll do is in the morning, I will make my foods ahead of time, getting ready for dinner, because dinner time's crazy. So I'll go ahead and prep my foods in advance, put the lid on it, and then put it in the refrigerator. And then when I come home or whatever I'm doing, it's easy. It's already prepped. Take it out, put it to room temperature, and then cook it. So this is the 9x13. Alrighty, what else do I have? Okay, making sure I don't miss anything. I'm also going to include the wildly popular, these are new in this catalog. These are the storage containers. Love them. So again, BPA-free plastic. All of them have the embossed, can you see the Princess House at the top? And there's different lids, there's different sizes. So this one is a 1.5 quart, and the lid on this one is a little bit different. I use this one for like rice, brown sugar, pasta, things like that. This is the small one. This is a 1 quart, and this is kind of cool because in the lid it has a built-in scoop for tablespoons. So this is especially nice for coffee. It's the perfect size, and then it seals up really nice and tight. All right. Next up is the 4 quart. This is the one I have the most of in my home because I do a lot of baking. It has a built-in leveler, and it also comes with a 1/2 cup scoop. So when you scoop out your sugar, you can level it. You know exactly what you have. Also good for pasta. You can use it for whatever size you need. And last but not least, hang on, let me put some of these back up here, is the 4.5 quart one. And all of them I meant to tell you up the sides, they do have the measures to tell you how much they are. This one has a nice little handle, and this is the bigger one. This is good for like cereals, right? So you keep your cereals nice and fresh. So it's a 4-piece set, and I wanted to include that because that piece is really, really great for your kitchen and saves you a lot of space. All right, I'm missing stuff. Let's see what else. Cookware. Gotta have some cookware in here, right? So the first one that I have is, this is our 10-inch skillet, and this is part of the Healthy Essentials. The ones on the bottom that they have a little round circle, one's for 1 teaspoon, one's for 1 tablespoon of oil. They are made of 1810 stainless steel, so they're very, very thermal. They cook your foods really, really well. For those of you that are not used to using really good quality cookware, the one thing you're going to have to learn is to not put it on high heat. You don't need it on high heat. If you have cheap cookware, you're going to have to crank it up. It's the only way it cooks. But ours is Tri-ply, so it's stainless steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, and it makes a very thermal attachment, and you'll find that you can cook on a very low heat. Like I have an electric stove, and I don't put it past 3. You just don't need to, all right? So this is the 10-inch, and that's good for like your mornings or maybe even afternoons, but I'm also going to give you the 12-inch because this is the larger one. This is the one I find myself using a lot when I make my videos for you guys because it just holds a real lot. So you have your 10 and your 12-inch. There's still more. I'm telling you, this is the set. I want it all. So you're going to get a 4-quart stainless steel. This is the Tri-ply, and you're going to see that it has the little strainer so you can strain right into the sink. Now this, I just want to let you know, is a 6-quart. The one you're going to get is 4.5. So it's 1.5 quarts smaller. It'll be about this, all right? And in addition to that one, because that'll be good for like mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, then we have the big one. And this one is the 9-quart. So this is nice and large. You can use this to we make homemade iced tea in our house. We use a pot this big for that. You can also use it obviously for your pasta, for your seafood, anything, all right? So I have 2 big more items. Hold on, let me make sure I got everything. Straining pot, I have the utensil holder, the Fantasia Fresh, the Dyson Chopper, the storage set, the 8 and the 10-inch. Oh, I'm also going to give you the stainless steel cleaner. If you don't have this yet, you're going to love it. You will be amazed at what it can do for all of your pots and pans or anything stainless steel. We have the Tri-ply. Oh, I am missing something. Hold on a minute. I'm missing one more thing. Hang on. Oh, Good thing I looked at my little chart. So now this is a 12 quart tri-ply, right? Let me make sure I did this right. 9 inch, 9 quart, 4.5 quart, 12 quart. Yep. Here's a 12 quart tri-ply. So this is nice and big. Yes. Love that one. Good thing I looked. All right. What else? Tri-ply. Utensils. All right. And then the two most popular items. Are you ready? I'm so excited. Number one. This is the newest item in our collection that's been our great seller, and this is our double griddle, and it is an electric one. So here's the only difference is that it has this cord, and you can use this anywhere where you have a cord. So this is our double electric griddle. You can see how nice and long it is. What's really nice about it is it helps you when you're entertaining or when you have a lot of people over because it has so much room. You can cook a whole pound of bacon on here. You can put your eggs, your meats, and your potatoes. I've made fajitas where I put the vegetables in the middle and chicken on one side and steak on the other because it's really big. But the fact that it has a cord means that you don't have to worry about using your stove. Sometimes you don't have enough room in the kitchen or on your stove, so you can go ahead and use this instead, and you can use it anywhere. I especially like it if you have a buffet because you can plug it in and actually cook your foods on it and leave it on warm. You can use the dial to either go from warm all the way up to 425 degrees, so you can put your food out there and it's going to stay warm. When you have your Easter dinner, your Thanksgiving dinner, any of those holidays, put your turkey here, put your ham in here. When people go back for seconds, it's going to be nice and warm. So I'm excited about this piece. And then I had to give you the number one item in the whole Princess House collection. Do you already know what it is? Let's see. Can you see it? Is it back there? All right, here we go. Number one item, and that is our high power blender. Do you know that Princess House sells more of these blenders than Walmart? We sell more blenders than Walmart every year. It's amazing. And it's a really awesome piece. And it comes with 3 pre-programmed dials. One's for smoothies. That's the one you probably use it for the most. Dips and spreads. I've made homemade hummus, homemade pesto, homemade almond butter, all different kinds of stuff. And then soups. You can make hot soups in 7 minutes. Amazing. So listen, this in the book is $619. The double electric griddle in the book is $399. Those two pieces alone would be over $1,000. Are you ready to hear what this is? If you were to buy everything that I just told you about, it would cost you $2,773. That's a lot of money. But because of all of my discounts, I'm going to get it down to just $1,355, which is literally less than half price. You can start with just $340 and then make 10 payments of $152, and everything is yours. I have 2 more things to tell you. So number one, we can change a couple items. You can let me know if you want me to change anything. All right. There's a couple things that I can change. There's a couple things I can't change. Number 2, I can do differently with the payments with you. I've had some people pay in full. That's fine. Or if you want to make 6 payments, you know what I mean? However you want to do it is fine. It ships anywhere in the United States. And as soon as it's paid in full, it ships. Reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. Tell me that you want this package, and then I will help you. But here's one more thing. Right now with Princess House, one of the most special things that we have going on are our surprise buys. And how that works is you're allowed to purchase for every $40 that you spend, you can buy a surprise gift for just $11. You are not going to know what it is until it comes. But it's a recently discontinued Princess House product worth anywhere up to $145, and you can get it for just $11. So depending on what you want, you can grab a bunch of them on this show, and that'll be a lot of fun. All right, so this is my package. I want it all. It has the 9-quart straining pot, the 4.5-quart straining pot, and the 12-quart pot all in the Tri-ply. It has the Dyson Chopper, the utensil and lid holder, and then the small and the medium produce keepers, the utensils caddy, right, with all the utensils, stainless steel cleaner, the Fantasia Fresh 2-quart, the Fantasia Fresh 9x13. It has the complete pantry set. It has the electric double griddle and the blender, and an 8, a 10, and a 12-inch skillet. and stainless steel cleaner. I think I got it all. So I'll post this so that you can see everything. It's an amazing package. So just reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. When you do a lot of cooking at home and you buy quality products, you really can see the difference. It makes a huge difference in the outcome of your food and also your attitude. You feel a whole lot happier cooking when you enjoy what you're doing. All right, so that's my #1 package. There will be more to come. It'll be hard to beat this one. All right, see you next time.